Our very next Dharitri Climate Grant awardee is Sabuja Sankalpa.
Sabuja Sankalpa, a social organization formed to address climate change, began in Galadari village with a few young individuals and has now grown to more than 200 volunteers. The organization has planted over 10,000 trees, developed a nursery of 2,000 saplings including rare medicinal plants, and carried out regular cleanliness drives across the Gopo block in Puri district. It also conducts wildlife conservation campaigns sensitizing more than 3,000 people and protecting species such as otters and freshwater turtles. The organization aims to make the Gopo block plastic free by 2028 and plant 1 lakh palm saplings along the coast.
Congratulations, and let's welcome team Sabuja Sankalpa. अनेक अनेक अभिनंदन टीम सबुज संकल्प को। वर्तमान आम परवर्ती धरित्री क्लाइमेट ग्रांट अवार्डी आपण को मध्य अनुरोध मंच पाखरे रहिबे। आम परवर्ती क्लाइमेट ग्रांट अवार्डी वेल